Welcome back. Well, mixture of mostly clouds, just a few peaks of little sun here and there, and some thunderstorms in the background here from our tower cam. Let's get over to the weather wall, and you can see that cumulonimbus cloud kind of poking through the little hole in the clouds there to the right of the Cajun Dome. Whereas we look off to the southeast, this is activity that's down in towards St. Mary Parish. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the infrared water vapor imagery and the dry air that is up toward the northern part of the state as well, it used to be here. Now it's retreating, and we're starting to see Gulf moisture starting to creep into the area. So rain chances back up into the 20%, 30% range next couple of days, and then even higher for Friday afternoon, evening especially, as a frontal system approaches. Now, don't get the sweaters out quite yet, but it's going to feel pretty good as we get into the Sunday, Monday time frame, the way things are looking. Scattered activity across the board. Heaviest storms at this hour down across lower St. Martin Parish into St. Mary Parish. Morgan City getting some pretty hefty downpours, very heavy rains in around the Franklin area. That's going to be moving in and eventually to the Sharonton area as well, and Jeanerette going to see some rain shortly as well. Activity in Lafayette Parish has been diminishing. We're still seeing some activity down toward Kaplan, south of Abbeville, by the Perry area, and then on up through the coast of right along the Mermentau here in Acadia Parish. And then as we get farther north and west, scattered storms, Basile to Kinder and south of Highway 190, and additional activity as we go farther north and west, northwestern Allen Parish, northeastern Beauregard Parish. This activity, well, Beauregard, no, this is Vernon Parish. So this activity will probably last for several hours into the evening hours and gradually diminish around 9 or 10, 11 o'clock at the latest. That's what it's been the last couple of nights. So generally relatively quiet across our part of the world. The tropics right now are shut down for a while. At least it looks like maybe through the first week of September. After that, there's no promises, but the Gulf of Mexico certainly shut down. And this tropical wave here in the Caribbean, that's going to be going its merry way towards South America. And Tropical Storm Fernan here is right here. So it's a pretty sheared system. It's not going to last much longer as a tropical storm, probably done by Thursday. Meanwhile, this is the anniversary of Hurricane Andrew in 1992. It hit South Florida as a Category 5 storm after post-analysis, and then it came to Louisiana, knocking on our doors of 4, officially made landfall as a 3, and then split the difference right between Lafayette and Baton Rouge. And we had some pretty big hurricane gusts with that storm, if you might remember, and it really decimated the Atchafalaya Swamp. But gusts as high as 124 reported at Berwick, 107 in Morgan City, 90 New Iberia, 87 Jeanerette, 71 was the official gust out at the Lafayette Airport, and West Baton Rouge Parish reported a gust to 96. That's 33 years ago on this date. Tomorrow's anniversary is Laura. As we head into tomorrow, though, we are looking at widely scattered activity once again. We'll keep rain chance at about 20%. Can't go much higher than that. And then as we head into Thursday, 20, perhaps 30% here. Very typical summer weather. Highs getting in the low to mid 90s. But here we go. The blue triangle showing up on Friday. We can only get you through 1 p.m., but scattered showers and thunderstorms will be developing Friday afternoon into Friday evening. That front eventually clears the area Saturday afternoon. But look at the temperatures. This is a Euro model. This is just a suggestion. Mid to upper 60s as we head into next Monday morning. That's Labor Day morning, and then the following Tuesday morning. But it's going to start to really feel good come Saturday evening, and most certainly for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday into next week. Risk of an early evening shower or thunder shower. Otherwise a little bit warmer and more humid. Partly cloudy skies. 73 the low tonight. 93 the projected high tomorrow, with that risk of an afternoon, early evening shower or thunder shower. And into the 10-day forecast we go. We'll see summer continuing, but a change comes Friday. 70% chance of storms. We'll look at rain totals on that come tomorrow because it's too early to call. And then feeling much better Sunday through Tuesday of next week with more pleasant mornings. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.